Rosie, what you got your toy? Poor Rosie. Look, she's gone again with your toy. Look at her with your toy. That's yours, isn't it? That's your toy. Yes. Come on, go and see Ellie. Go on, out you go. Go on. Oh, you've dropped it. If you've dropped it, Rosie will get it. She... Gone. Where have you both gone now? Oh dear. Rosie, it's yours. Oh, has she got your toy? That's it. Where's the toy gone? I don't think we want any playing. I'm trying to do a bit of work. Don't think we want... Don't you think you two are a bit tired? We've been out for about 2 hours this afternoon. You've been swimming. You're both still damp. You could be a little bit tired. You're going to pull its leg off.